Hey guys, today I want to do an unboxing of our Feel-A-Fi jewelry making kit number 1, Spread the Wings. Our jewelry kit comes with the basic instructions, wires and beads for you to be able to make your own owl, butterfly and bird pendant. Then another interesting fact about our jewelry kit is that the wires do turn antique with time. So let's go ahead and open up and see what's inside. So for the first thing you see when you open up our jewelry kit is that the basic instructions come in separate instructions for each pendant. And another interesting fact about our instructions is that we have our QR code for you to be able to scan and watch our video tutorial on how to make each pendant, and also our PDF tutorial. The next couple of things you'll get in our kit is our 30 gauge pure copper wire and also our 20 gauge rose silver wire, and also our basic beads for each pendant, all separated in the names of which pendant you need to use them for. Now I'm going to show you what each pendant should look like once it's done. This is what our bird pendant should be looking like once it's done. You can see that our wires are quite antique. This is our unique point. Our next pendant is our butterfly pendant. And last but not least is our owl pendant. If you're interested in any of our kits or other products, be sure to check out our Amazon storefront or our other platforms in the links below.